Well, hey y'all, today we're going to put together a ranch seasoning out of my cookbook. And this is the easiest thing in the world to throw together. I already had all of these herbs and spices and everything in my cupboard, so why buy a package of ranch? So what this is 1 tablespoon of dried parsley. Okay. And the rest of these are 1 teaspoon. So I've got a teaspoon of garlic powder. And 1 teaspoon of onion powder. And you can adjust these to your druthers. And a teaspoon of dried dill weed. A teaspoon of dried chives. And I cannot wait until my chives and all this stuff is growing fresh in my garden so we can do this with fresh. A teaspoon of onion flakes. Okay. And then oregano, we're just going to use a pinch. Ouch. So let's get a little bitty one here. I'm just going to get just a pinch of a dried oregano. Now, salt and pepper to taste. Whenever I make my seasonings, I don't add salt and pepper to them. I add it whenever I'm making my recipe because I have no idea. Oh, I do today because I'm fixing to do something, put it in the oven over here. But I really don't have any idea whenever I make this what I'm going to put it in. But 2 tablespoons equals 1 package of your ranch dressing that you would buy. And also, I have a dozen dried spice blends in my cookbook. You can take 2 tablespoons of this and add it to a 1/2 cup of buttermilk, 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 1/2 cup of sour cream, and you got vegetable dip. You can keep adding buttermilk to it or regular sweet milk, which we call whole milk down here in the South. And then you've got salad dressing. So there we go. Homemade ranch. You had it all in your house. Now you got it all in the jar, ready to go.